We're at New Brighton Central School. This is where Rebecca is doing a Ruby course. She's been given access to a room for the weekend, so I've installed some internet for her. And the school has been through all the earthquakes. It's got no structural damage. The ground, there's been no reports of any liquefaction or any issues with the ground, but the government, in its wisdom, is closing it down anyway.
So make sure every time you look at the web page. Did you save the info? Right. There you go. Let's go through.
To the name, I'm going to put in the URL and I'm going to strip it, which takes the white space of either end.
So remember there's the heading, and each
Hi, may I ask how your name's and age, please?
I'm Amelia, and I'm 14, turning 15.
And I'm turning 14.
And what have you thought of the programming course so far?
Well, I've really enjoyed it. So far I've made my own app, and it's been a really cool experience about developing different things on this app. And yeah, it's been really, really fun.
It's really good, really informative, and the coaches are awesome. Really help you out.
And how long have you guys been programming for?
Oh, not very long. I did some recent experience on HTML, but this has been the most experienced thing I've ever done.
So you really sort of like started last night?
Oh, yeah.
And you've got your own app already?
Yep, pretty much.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
If you can. And you've got foxes. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, this guy has been here. If you look for wise points, sorry.
Generators are just scripts that run that generate predefined bits of code for you. So generator
So there's another thing. We're not just saving database, we're saving sort of files on the computer using the carry-away thing. So that's what this thing does.
I know, you'd think it's a small car, but actually...
Looks like it's feeding time at the zoo. Okay, it's Rebecca, and she's running the course today. If you can explain to us what are we up to today, Rebecca?
Well, everyone's having lunch right now because they've just been working all morning on learning Ruby on Rails, which is a programming framework to write web applications. And we've run through the basics, and then they're just having lunch because this afternoon they'll need all their brains to start building something fancy like a Twitter or a Facebook or a phone application. And yeah, it's going really well, and we had 10 coaches donate their time to come and teach, so we've got a ratio of about 1 coach to 2 girls, and it's amazing just seeing them coming in last night, and we're like, let's get this installed, and many of them not having written a line of code, and now they've got something working, and they're all excited, and they're all sitting here talking about it, and it's wonderful.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Hi guys, what are your names and age, please?
I am Susanna Davis.
means I'm 12.
Yes?
I'm Harriet Clifton-Moen and I'm in Year 6, so I'm 9.
You're 9. You'd be the youngest here today, would you?
Yep.
Yep. And what have you guys thought of the course?
I thought it was really good. I've never been able to actually create my own website before, and I've learnt more about Ruby and what Ruby Rails is today as well.
Right. And what have you thought?
Yeah, I really loved it. It's been really fun and we got to know more about programming and rather than just the basics, to know a bit more.
That's great. Well, thank you very much for coming today. Hi.
Hey,
What was your name, please?
Graham.
Graham. And what's your forte with programming, Graham?
I'm just general programming, but I'm working in Rails at the moment. I came from Java and C#.
Yep. And what do you think of what Rebeakah is trying to do here this weekend?
Well, it's great. I mean, Railgirls is an international initiative, but it's wonderful. I've worked in plenty of companies that have had horribly small percentages of women, so anything to get more women, get a better balance in the developer, get a better balance of developers in the workplace would be wonderful.
That's great. Thank you very much. Hi.
Hi,
What's your name, please?
my name's Amanda Wagoner.
And what skills are you here to offer today? What's your background?
I studied computer science at university, and since I've left university I've been a Ruby programmer full time, so this is basically what I've been doing since I left university.
Oh, that's great. And how long have you been doing Ruby for?
Probably about 4 or 5 years.
So you know what you're doing by now?
You'd hope so, but some days I wouldn't think so at all.
That's great. And what do you think of what Rebeakah's done this weekend?
It's really great. I've actually been to a Railgirls event overseas as well.
Oh, awesome.
I went to one in Helsinki, which is where it started, but it's great to see one here. It's been something I've been thinking we really needed to do, and it's great to just see that somebody's gone ahead and done it, and that we can all come and help out. And there's so many enthusiastic people here.
Oh, it's great.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for your time.
No worries, thanks.